So where are we going?
Freddy's.
Freddy?
First time.
What's Freddy Fazbear's? We going to Five Nights?
They make concrete that you can eat.
They make concrete you can eat.
Yes.
What's your concrete gonna look like?
Yeah,
What's your perfect concrete?
I want the most realistic concrete. I want it to be like right on there, getting ready to form some sort of concrete creation right there.
Concreation.
Concreation.
What's going on, Zach?
5-minute Freddy's.
5-minute Freddy's?
Oh,
Wait,
five guys.
we've got 5 guys? Wait, you're coming?
Guys.
Are you coming?
I am coming.
Oh, no, we got Zach.
Okay.
Introduce yourself to Toasty DIY.
Hey y'all.
Quick.
I'm just a mere PC builder.
Me, you're a piece builder. All right, cool.
Sometimes they let me come to fun things like this.
We're just gonna be stacked. Just
Freddy's. So what inspired this adventure?
We just found out it opened today.
Yeah, Zach. Zach knows the most random news. Like if he could apply that towards school, he'd be so smart.
It'd be so good.
That's just never gonna happen. You know, Ross is over in Middletown, so it's Five Below. We can get the Booga set.
What?
They actually have
Explain
more.
what the
They have
Booga-
more.
I don't like how you're like this.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
It is on 0.5 cameras. I promise it looks good.
I thought you were just like point blank like.
Nah,
It's the $5
I was-
keyboard, mouse, and like headset.
Oh, but they're not 5. That's actually Five Below's only items. I looked recently. So they're only items that are $10. They're like
They're
$7 to
cheating.
$10 a piece.
They're
And like
cheating?
it literally says Five Below, but that one spot it says these are the $10 exception items, and it's the Booga crap, dude.
The booga booga?
Isn't
All
it
right.
less think entrepreneur is like a term for saying I don't have a job?
I was an entrepreneur for a long time.
Dude, when people say that, I'm just like, okay, so you don't make money.
It's kind of like upcoming streamer.
Or upcoming SoundCloud rapper.
All right, job titles that make no money. Do you have any more?
Art major. History major.
Now you're just naming college degrees.
Work at a library.
Because for me, it's poli sci.
That's
That's what I
okay, you
use.
said- Okay, job titles make
Yeah, I was
money.
gonna say political
Volunteer.
science.
Volunteer.
Volunteer.
Okay. To make this Baja last, you've got to be Baja
We
fast.
signed a deal with Taco Bell for like 50 grand.
And we did talk about PC.
If only Taco Bell would actually reply to us.
They won't reply to us.
Oh,
We've tried.
McAllister, I had a guy come in the other day that says he knows a Yum Center, what do they call it, like digital art or Yum Brands?
Yeah.
Yum Brands digital art and social media manager. And he said he's gonna see what he can do. And I was like,
He's
that's
gonna
so
see what
random.
he can do. Hell
That
yeah.
probably means nothing, but I mean, it was cool though that he recognized it.
Yeah, he's also an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
All right, well,
Because I'm just a crappy YouTuber.
I'm gonna pick this up back at Freddy.
Job that makes no money. Crypto investor.
Oh, NFT, bro.
A day trader, yeah.
Well done. All right, we're there.
At the Freddy's with the chicken nuggets.
Oh my
We've made it to Fred. Oh God,
All right.
everyone knows.
We can go in.
Yeah, I
Hey,
think
wait,
we're-
hold up. Park at Arby's. We walk across the street.
Little do they know we're 5 deep.
They didn't expect this, and this makes it easier for ordering. Honestly, what are you gonna get?
Zach says that they have a veggie burger,
Veggie burger.
so I guess I'm gonna do a veggie burger.
What are you gonna get, Zach?
Let me put my glasses on real quick.
Because peepers, he's finding out. What are you getting, Matt?
Gonna get the California style burger.
California steak burger. What'd you say?
I think I might get number 5, the jalapeno burger.
Chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich. You're gonna get a chicken sandwich at a steak burger restaurant. You know what? I love the variety.
This chicken tender kid
Chicken tender boy.
is screaming. I'm gonna make a scene.
No, boo. Yeah.
It's very concrete.
I got cookie dough.
How is it?
Pretty good.
What's the consistency? Concrete like or not?
It's very thick looking.
I'll give it like a 8 out of 10 concrete.
All right, Jackson, your concrete. You got the same one I did. It better be good.
Cherry first.
Did you know they use real meat?
In the cherry?
Yeah.
The cherry's the real deal.
I want to see if I can do the straw.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm invested.
Dude, that is awesome.
So you got your food?
Yeah.
Let's see that burger.
Look at that. Get the close up.
Not bad, not bad. Ooh, spicy. Matt,
It is very steak
California.
and shake. Very steak and shake
the
like.
curds look really good. To the left of the registers on the far wall.
My hands, McAllister's heavy.
Wait, what? Why is? Oh yeah, 'cause we got the chicken tenders.
Yeah, no, it looks
All right.
like a lot. I I think we swapped.
Oh, good. Here's what we'll do. Just turn it, and then we'll slide one under. There we go. Over to the right. I did not mean to get a meal. That was a mistake. I was just trying to get that. Dude, I promise I'm not eating all this because this is yours, by the way. Before I look like an absolute fatty.
Now see, this reminds me of the time we went to good old Cracker Barrel. You want to tell what did you get again?
Oh, I got chicken and dumplings with a side chicken dumplings with a side chicken dumplings with a side mashed potatoes. The ultimate meal.
I felt bad because the actual waitress kept coming back and making fun of it.
It's great every time. Why yours going to go back? Did you say to go?
Oh my god. I think it's like barbecue sauce. It almost tastes like it has a little bit of like horseradish or something tangy to it.
We're gonna come back after I've eaten because I want to eat. Meal's over. You cleaned your plate. You cleaned your shake. What would you rate your concrete?
Honestly, it was a solid 1 out of 10.
There's so much hair.
So, what would you rate the concrete?
7.5.
All right,
Out of 10.
the meal
8 out of 10 for fast food.
total.
I'll round it out to 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. All right,
For fast
and
food, for fast food.
same thing. The meal, the shake, the total.
All right, the meal, 8 out of 10.
I mean, it looks like you liked it, yeah.
That's pretty good. Concrete, this doesn't look like concrete I see on the job site, but you know, it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
Full experience
For a 7.5 out of 10.
for a 7. Wow, he wouldn't even round it out, but I'm giving it to him.
The meal, 8.5 out of 10. The concrete, 9.7 out of 10.
Oh,
The
wow.
average, 3 out of 10. I was kidding. I'm gonna say 8.5 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10.
Let's see. Concrete, since I ate that first, I would give that a 7. The food, I had the jalapeno burger. I'll give that a 7. So then average is 14 out of 10. Yeah, I'll give it like a 6.5.
All right.
That's mad.
I'd say the concrete was
You
8 out
add
of
it,
10.
and then you divide it by
The meal,
2.
I don't know, for 10 bucks for a burger, I'm gonna call it 6 out of 10. Cause I go steak and shake and have more burgers and just do like 3 of them instead. So I'd say overall 7 out of 10.
Yeah, but Steve, you should get concrete.
That's called extra protein. Woo. All right. Well, that's the end of our.
wrong. Mine was only $12.
Well, I had to buy his. I also bought the tenders. The tenders were mid.
Cheese curd upgrade and the mixer.
All right. Well, so what's the perfect plate then here?
Burger, cheese curds, fries, and a shake.
You get cheese curds and fries?
How do you feel after that?
No, that's way too much. I eat a lot. I think you need to sub the fries or just get the fries. Sub the fries for cheese curds though.
Yeah,
You won't
that's what I did.
be unhappy.
Fries
Pretty good though.
The cheese curds, I gotta say, like top level, like better than Culver's in my opinion. All right.
Subscribe to DIY. Goodbye.